Hi you guys, how you doing? I'm back and here's another quick video on how I am repairing a center part which actually is way too big. The customer had it plucked by someone and they really over plucked it. It's more like a center highway. So I am closing it up by ventilating some hairs in the center. Also, there's some other thin spots I will be repairing in this video as well. Now in the back of the wig I will show you how I have to add tracks because it's actually not only thin in the closure area, there's spaces in the back where here we go, where you need to put tracks because it's just not covering it all. However, my client paid about $450 for this closure wig, which I was really upset because it could have been done a whole lot better. But at the time, I was not available, so she had to go get it from somewhere, I guess. So now I'm repairing it for her, and hopefully it'll hold up for a while till she's able to actually purchase a whole new one. So I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Also, like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, wait a minute. Guess what the word is for this video? The word is like. Like, hit the like button, like, comment, and subscribe, like my video. The word for this video is like. Thank you guys, and we're coming to a closing in. Bye.